It's a Leo Messi's goat tour to India that has started from Kolkata. But right now, it's total a mess. A messy day in Kolkata, as what we have seen, a total mismanagement that has been alleged by the fans over here. And right now, I am standing in Yuva Bharati Kridangan, Swami Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Kridangan, the football stadium, one of the finest football stadium of Kolkata as well as of Eastern India. And this is one of the largest stadium. But right now, ruckus everywhere. As we can see, that I will show you that this is the seats that has been brought for Messi and the team, as well as for Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Saurav Ganguly, King Khan, Bollywood Badshah. But what happened? It was set on fire by the agitated people, as they are alleging that there is clear mismanagement by the organizer. And also what we have seen, that Messi came over here and only stayed for 8 to 9 minutes, where he was been turned arbitrary into the ground. And after that, what happened is he got out from the stadium. He was been taken out from the stadium. And after that, what happened is people started agitation, people were anxious and started throwing bottles from the gallery, and they have torn out these, we can see that there, they have torn out all the posters and hoardings and all the banners. And after that, the ruckus become more, and agitation made up the ruckus over the Yuva Bharati Kridangan. As they have already, I can show you that these are the chairs for the fans, those which were thrown out from the gallery itself to the police and towards the organizers, as Messi gone within 8 to 9 minutes, and also other organizers, other VVIPs has gone. What was the main allegation? The main allegation is that Messi came here, he turned out for 8-9 minutes, but he was surrounded by the VVIPs and the security personals. There is 3 superstars, that is Rodrigo De Paul, Lionel Messi and Suarez. But there is 300 people around them, for which the people have not observed Messi quality-wise good, because we have seen that they have witnessed Messi in very poor quality in the giant screen, as well as they claim that they have not enjoyed this event. And there was many more things lined up, as there is a conversation between Shah Rukh Khan and Messi that has not happened. And also it was seen that there was a tiki-taka and a juggling with ball, the Messi as already stated by the organizers, but that has not happened. After taking a lap, he goes out, and after that the people over here started agitation, started protesting, and they come out to this ground, and they have spread the ruckus, that the bar posts were torn out, everything was torn out, and the field was also destroyed. And that is the ruckus we have seen in Kolkata in the Messi Goat Tour. With camera person Lisan Lodh, Anirban Sinha Roy for India Today, Kolkata.